Okay, so... Well... It's time to play Gacha Club again. Heck, I don't even know what I did. So, let me see what I had done last night because I feel sleepy. Hi! Let's see. Let's go see what abomination I did. Wow! Wasn't expecting that! Why? Why did I make this? I mean... Yeah, I did freaking make fun of Jacob in the past, yeah, but... What? What is this? My boy! What did I do to you? I can't. What happened? Tori, what did you do? I'm putting the blame on you now. What did you do? What did you do? Huh? What'd you do, mate? Mate! What you did? What did you do to your brother? I know you're the little sister, but what? The actual freak! I can't. I'm sorry. But what? Oh boy! I can't believe this. I can't. I'm saving this. I'm sorry. Boy! My dear boy! Jacob, my man! If you are a man. You know what? What's manlier than being a gay man? There's nothing wrong with being gay, but whoever told you to wear skirts is an idiot. Like this laughing motherfricker here. This guy, the one and only. This one is really telling you to wear those freaking skirts. I can't believe this. I am so sorry. This is just me laughing and wheezing the whole video. Damn! He's thick! He's so thick! There's no difference. There's nothing different at all. Look at this. It's the same. It's the same face. The difference is his makeup. It has more makeup. Look at this. Look at the foundation. The blush. The mascara. The eyeshadow. The lipstick. Yeah. Those things that girls wear. I'm not a girl. You, Jacob, I am so sorry. Forgive me. But I can't. Not with this. Not with this. He even has a cardigan on his leg. On his thighs. Dang. That's what. That can be attractive. Jesus Christ. I can't. I'm so sorry. There's no difference. There's not even a difference anymore. I'm making fun of this guy. He did nothing wrong, but I made him as a human mannequin, as you can see here. I made this guy for a reason. I don't even know if I will call him a he anymore. He looks 100% girl with a short hair. Like, dude, tell me, like, really, tell me you can't say that this guy looks like a girl. You can't say. One of you people might be saying, oh, this is a girl. No, this is a guy. It's an absolute guy. Even when you look upon his skirt, he's wearing boxers. Look at this. It's literally sticking out of his. It's literally sticking. It's literally sticking out of his freaking pants, out of his freaking butt. You know what? I can't do this anymore. I've recorded for so long. I am so sorry. I am so done. But Jacob, stay you. I'm still gonna be doing this crap to you. I am so sorry. You have no mercy. You have to suffer the whole day. I am so sorry.